What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Burrito, and today I'm making breakfast burritos on the Blackstone today. Yes, very exciting. But before I get too far ahead, if you are new, make sure you hit that sub and notification button. Throw a comment down below. Share this with your friends and family. Enjoy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gabe, you already made breakfast burritos, didn't you? Yes, that was a while ago. But these are going to be healthier breakfast burritos, first off. Same concept, added a couple extra ingredients, but they're going to be healthier, way tastier, and like I said, they're going to be made on the Blackstone. So, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to do all my talking, or most of my talking, inside, but I have here 2 eggs that I'm going to whisk up, and then I'm just going to season it with salt and pepper. We'll use a little bit of avocado oil to kind of heat everything up. And then the first thing I'm going to start with is I have some turkey breakfast sausage that we're going to cook up first. And then we'll kind of throw everything else together. But I got some thin sliced onion that I want to saute as well. And then I got some par-cooked roasted sweet potatoes that I made the other day. And all those are seasoned with is just salt, pepper, and garlic. And all I did was kind of undercook them a little bit so that when I heat them up, they'll be cooked all the way through. And by undercooking them, they don't turn to mush when you heat them back up. So I have here probably about a cup of roasted sweet potatoes. And then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. And then I have some carb counter tortilla rolls, the big ones, the big burrito shells. But like I said, we're going to go do the cooking outside, then we'll come back, try it out. I'm also going to add some salsa, because I really like putting salsa with my breakfast burritos. And then if you want, you can add like hot sauce. You could even add sliced avocado or guacamole, whatever. But keeping it simple. But without further ado, let's head outside and fire up the Blackstone and get this party started. Bam! Alright, so I went ahead and cut her open. But this is what it looks like inside. So, if you want, I always kind of keep a handy bottle of Taco Bell hot sauce. Don't ask why, I don't ask questions, just what I like about it. But let's go ahead and try this out. Alright, so it is a very hearty burrito with the potatoes. The turkey sausage is cooked nicely, it's got a nice char to it. The onions kind of add a nice crunch, little contrast of textures. It does really make a difference to not completely cook the potatoes, because otherwise another minute or two and these would have been mush. But you can probably make these ahead of time and freeze them and hang on to them as a nice meal prep. My griddle was a little hot, so it got a little bit of a char on the tortilla shell, but other than that, it is still pretty solid. I'd say maybe the only thing you could do is just add maybe a little bit more cheese, but it's got a nice spice from the turkey sausage, and then obviously the hot sauce and the salsa adds a nice freshness to it. But this is pretty solid. I usually don't make breakfast burritos with potatoes in it, but I'm really glad I did it this way. Well, guys, there you have it. Breakfast burritos on the Blackstone. It was very filling and quite delicious. If you guys are new, make sure you hit that sub button for me and notification button for me. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. If you got any questions, throw them in the comments down below for me. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Time to go take a nap.